A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is Cosmic Energy Powerhouse, activating the human interface. Ladies and gentlemen, in the intricate design of human existence, three interdependent energy systems or power plants drive the energy grid that sustains life. The physical energy power plant, the mental energy power plant, and the cosmic energy power plant. These systems work in harmony, ensuring that energy flows seamlessly between the body, mind, and the vast cosmos. While the physical and mental systems establish the foundation, it is the cosmic energy power plant that elevates us beyond our local environment, connecting humanity to the infinite energy of the universe. The physical energy power plant is the engine of life, fueled by cellular processes such as ATP synthesis and powered by the heart-lung-brain circuit. It sustains all bodily functions from the smallest cellular activity to muscular contractions. The mental energy power plant, meanwhile, processes sensory inputs, coordinates emotions, and governs higher cognitive functions through intricate neural networks. Together, they form the foundation of the human energy grid. However, energy is not solely a product of physical and mental processes. Emotional energy, derived from sensory inputs, plays a pivotal role in shaping our internal energy dynamics. Sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell, these inputs form a continuous exchange with the local cosmic energy system within our environments. Positive sensory experiences amplify emotional energy, creating harmony, while negative stimuli can disrupt the energy flow. Emotional energy bridges the physical and mental systems with the external world, serving as a key component of our interface with the cosmos. At the pinnacle of this energy grid lies the cosmic energy power plant, a gateway to the universe's infinite energy field. Its cornerstone is the pineal gland, often referred to as the third eye. This small pea-shaped endocrine gland, situated at the center of the brain, not only regulates circadian rhythms through melatonin secretion, but also serves as a biological transducer. It converts subtle electromagnetic frequencies, including photons, the most fundamental carriers of light and energy, into biochemical signals. These signals resonate through the deep limbic system comprising the thalamus, hypothalamus, amygdala, and hippocampus, thus orchestrating responses that influence the body, mind, and emotional equilibrium. The role of photons in this cosmic exchange is profound. Photons, which are at the heart of the universe energy flow, carry both information and energy. As they interact with the pineal gland and deep limbic system, they stimulate energy pathways and help synchronize the human energy grid with the universal energy matrix. This exchange is not one-sided. The cosmos listens and responds through photons, creating a feedback loop between human consciousness and the infinite universe. Yet, tapping into this vast energy requires more than passive participation. The cosmic energy power plant can only be fully activated through conscious mental tuning, a process that demands intentional disengagement from the noise of local sensory inputs. This is where purposeful brain entrainment becomes essential. Techniques like meditation, mindfulness, and exposure to rhythmic sound frequencies help align brain waves, refine neural oscillations, and amplify the cosmic interface. Rising above the distractions of local stimuli, this entrainment creates a channel for receiving the universe's positive energy stimuli and transmitting human intentions in various ways and forms back to the cosmos. Scientific evidence supports this potential. Studies in neuroplasticity reveal that focused mental tuning can rewire the brain to achieve higher levels of coherence and efficiency. Similarly, research into the pineal gland's piezoelectric properties due to its calcite microcrystals suggests that it can detect and process vibrations, further enhancing its role as a cosmic energy receptor. This ability to connect with external energy fields positions humans as active participants in a larger universal energy ecosystem, not merely passive observers. By integrating the physical, mental, and cosmic systems, the human energy grid achieves a state of resonance with the cosmos. This integration does more than sustain vitality. It expands consciousness, enhances emotional resilience, and unlocks creativity. When individuals consciously engage with the cosmic energy system, they not only replenish their internal energy reserves, but also elevate the energy dynamics of their environment, creating a ripple effect of harmony and growth. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the cosmic energy power plant is the pinnacle of human energy evolution, offering a gateway to boundless potential. Mastering conscious mental tuning, refining emotional energy through positive sensory inputs, and embracing the role of brain entrainment are critical for activating this interface. The profound connection between human consciousness and the cosmos promises an elevated future for individuals and communities grounded in harmony, resilience, and a shared sense of purpose. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.